Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Mira's Tiny Garden. Bonsai is a living art and it is going very popular day by day. It is perfect for your small space garden, balcony garden and terrace garden also. There are many types of bonsai. Kokedama is one of them. It is famous for its no-pot planting style. It's a Japanese art form. Today I am going to share with you my secret how I make kokedama at home. At the very first we need some moss. Here are some sphegnum moss which are solarized. Meaning of solarize is to dry under full sunlight. During solarization cover the moss with a polythene to produce more heat to kill germs and bacteria. Here is a bowl of water. Now I am taking some moss and trying to make it thoroughly wet by immersing it in water. Rest it for half an hour. You can get sphegnum moss from nursery or online market as your convenient. Now we need some peat moss also. We can make peat moss from sphegnum moss at home easily. Put sphegnum moss into a mixer jar and grind it for a few seconds. I am going to use bonsai soil mix. I mixed a little fungicide here. As I am taking an ornamental plant that is bougainvillea, so I mixed a spoon of bone meal also. Next we need clay soil. It's sticky to touch when wet but smooth when dry. It has good water storage qualities. Here I added 1 cup of water to the clay soil and mix it thoroughly. Now I am adding peat moss. Mix it properly. Now I am adding soil mix. Add very little water because we don't want soggy mixture. I am adding more soil mix. Adding more soil and mix it properly and make a soil ball of it. Here is the root ball. I removed 70% soil of it. Tapping it, rolling it and make a nice ball. Take a knife and cut it in half. From the middle, remove a little soil. Place the root ball in the middle. Now press the soil to shape it around root ball. Just like that. Now take out the moss and squeeze it to remove excess water. Spread it in a circle. Fill it if there is any gap. Place the root ball in the center. Take up the moss all around the root ball. It is better to use live green moss. I don't have green moss, so I am using it. I am using a twine to wrap all around the moss ball. I am wrapping it upwards and underneath also to secure the moss. I prefer black colored twine because it is not visible from distance and the moss ball looks very clean. I made the base of the root ball little flat because I am going to put it on a tray, but when I make a hanging kokedama, I prefer perfect round shape. After finishing, we should keep it in a shade. Water it once a week. Now it's done. It's a ficus vibrant kokedama bonsai that is kept on a flat surface of a rock. Here is a mini landscape using a kokedama. That's all for today. Thanks for your time. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share it. Don't forget to leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye for now.